Hello, namaste. In this video, today's our recipe is 5-star hotel style biryani with no complicated ingredients or process. Let's see the ingredients that I have already displayed you. Cashew and poppy seeds powder, ginger garlic paste, ghee, oil, fried onions, mint, kasuri methi, chicken 3/4 kg and basmati rice 1 kg. Let's start the process. Basmati rice was soaked for 1 hour before we are cooking. That is the one thing you have to do before. 1 kg I took. That 1 kg total I'll cook in this pot only. See, with no any complicated techniques, in a very simple way. With very simple how to do the 5-star rated Nawabi biryani. Let's have a look. Let's start our process. Only 2 spoons of refined oil I am taking. Remaining all I'll use ghee only. 2 spoons of refined oil. Why? Because to create a surface on our biryani part, just I am using 2 spoons of oil so that evaporating point of ghee is high. It evaporates very fast. So what I'll do, 2 spoons of oil I took onto the base, so that it will create a filament there, and when we use ghee, it won't evaporate fast. So the thing is, as I said, there is no complicated process in this. All the ingredients that I have shown you will keep one by one. That's all. Chicken I am placing. 150 grams of ghee I took. I'll use in 3 times. I'll use that 150 grams of ghee. I made 3 parts and 3 times. That means first I kept 1 part, and now I'm placing chicken, and all the ingredients will go into this right away. No need to wait. First I kept chicken. Every ingredient will go one by one. That's all. No need to wait. No, in 5-star hotels, while we eat biryani, it costs like anything, but taste also is very nice. We know better taste we feel at like that places. Now, Shahi biryani masala. Shahi biryani masala, I made my own recipe. This is poppy seeds and cashew powder. 4 spoons. Shahi biryani masala, I made my own recipe masala. If you want that, please keep in the comment. I'll make one more video on that masala. No, they immediately at the spot they'll make biryani and serve us very hot in 5-star hotels. Now what I'm showing, if you follow perfectly, you can taste the same thing what we'll eat there, without doubt. Now this is red chilli paste made at home. That means just soak the red chillies and make a paste over it. That is only 2 spoons. Red chilli paste 2 spoons. Immediately all the ingredients will go one by one. Just once. And for fried onions, and this is what I said, 4 spoons of poppy seeds and cashew powder is there now. Completely we have to keep 4 spoons of poppy seeds, 4 spoons of cashews you have to take, and make it a powder, not a paste. Okay, only powder recommended, not paste. This is a dum biryani, so I prefer powder. You also please follow the same thing, so that you will get a wonderful taste of what we used to eat. Mint leaves, a complete bunch I took. 1 complete bunch of mint leaves. More they gives a very nice taste. 1 bunch of mint leaves. Just afterwards I'll keep few up. For that I saved few. Remaining I'm keeping into this. Why? Because taste, when we cook along only, we can experience it. Ginger garlic paste 2 spoons only, very less we'll use. For 1 kg biryani we are using only 2 spoons. You have to note that. Once you cook and have it only, you will know what I am saying. It tastes like anything, that you will like it with very less ingredients. And this 4 big onions, fried onions, I made and kept aside. In that half I am keeping now, and remaining half I will use after cooking to mix. Chicken takes very less time, so what they do, they keep all this ready in hotels and they'll assemble them like how I am doing now. Just we can call it as assemblance. Why? Because we can cook very less or very more also, even like this. Now we are preparing 1 kg biryani, that means it serves up to 6 persons. For 1 kg biryani basmati rice, I took 3/4 kg chicken. Maybe in hotels we won't get those many pieces. That when we prepare at home, we can experience that quantity and quality also. But here you can experience the same taste of that 5-star hotels. Dum biryani, Nawabi style biryani. Now just I am taking 1 minute time to add the remaining ingredients. Almost all went off into this. I'm doing open cooking so that we'll close immediately after adding rice to it. So I want chicken to take all these ingredients once into it. So I'm not closing the lid. Why? Because ghee, as I say, we are using ghee only to cook. Just for making a film over the base, we use 2 spoons of refined oil. That's all. Everything we use. Now 2 spoons of homemade chili paste we already use, and now 4 spoons of ready-made chili sauce. This is we are using 4 spoons of ready-made chili sauce and 2 spoons of homemade chili paste already I have added. There is no particularity that when to add all these ingredients, this is before this, that, like that. No, all the ingredients what I have shown to add to the chicken, consequently you can go on adding. Now this is our masala. This is my Nawabi masala. See, few raw spices also you can see: shahjeera, black pepper and ilachi. Like this only I'll prepare this. And this tastes like anything for our dum biryani. While we do fry biryani and all, that is different, and this masala is very different they use to make dum biryanis. If all of you, any of you want me to show that biryani masala, Nawabi biryani masala recipe that we are using now, please comment so that I'll make another video on that. Detailed video. So first, thank you for all our subscribers. Please share our videos, ask your friends to subscribe and relatives, and let's make our family big. Now I'll keep the lid for 5 minutes, not more than that, so that all these ingredients will be absorbed by the chicken. See, kasuri methi 4 spoons we are adding to this. Have shown in the ingredients, all that will go into the chicken what I have shown. Kasuri methi also we added. I'll keep total description in the description also. All this details I kept very clearly, so please add everything to it and close for 5 minutes lid, so the chicken will absorb all this and a nice gravy will be formed below as I have shown now. Now upon this, before 1 hour what we have soaked basmati rice, we'll now add we'll now add 1 kg rice in this biryani pot. You may wonder, but see how it becomes. 1 hour exactly you have to soak the basmati rice, not half an hour, not 10 minutes. That is one thing that you have to take care. 1 hour before you have to soak basmati rice. It's compulsory. Now just I am arranging the rice upon the chicken, and a few mint leaves, what I say I'll keep, and another part of ghee also, and 1 spoon of salt I added to the chicken before, and 1.5 spoon. Now upon this rice I'll add ghee. One part already used out of 3 parts, 150 grams of ghee, and another part I am keeping upon now, and the last part I'll use while the cooking process was finished. Lastly I'll place it with fried onions. Okay, right now we have to close the lid. 1.5 spoon salt also I spread upon that. 1 spoon in chicken we kept, that is enough. 2.5 spoons only, that too in this way. And while frying chicken we took 1 spoon, and now after arranging rice 1.5 I sprinkle. Now after 5 minutes keeping the lid, now I'll mix. That means pieces will come in between rice. Pieces won't stay in the bottom, rice won't stay on the topmost layer. Now the pieces will be merged into this raw basmati rice very carefully. This is the thing you have to do carefully. A spatula like this only you have to use. Now after mixing everything, now I'll close the lid and add water. Water is it's more than 750 ml and less than 800 ml. You can think 800 ml. 800 ml water for 1 kg basmati rice I am using, that's all. This is also you have to note. Okay, 1 kg rice, basmati rice, which was soaked for 1 hour, and only 800 ml of water I am taking to cook it. Now we have to leave it, keeping the lid. Now only low flame cooking will be done. Flame is very low flame you have to maintain. Low flame cooking should be done. Now see, after 15 minutes our biryani is ready to be served. Now let us garnish this with coriander, and the remaining ghee I'll keep upon this. What actually will keep weight up, as I have that practice, if you see my previous videos, I'll keep weight upon the biryani part so that vapor won't escape. The same thing I did this time also. Now see how nicely it came. I sprinkled coriander upon that and the remaining ghee also. We have to add the remaining fried onions also at this time. If possible, after switching the flame off, you have to leave it with that weight for 10 to 15 minutes. Compulsory. It's a compulsory thing. Okay.